Hello, welcome to Cooking with Peggy. So tonight we're going to be making another one of our family favorites. This is corn weenie mac, as my sister and her family call it, or macaroni meat, as my family calls it. My brother-in-law, Mike, when he was dating my sister Pam, was a young single guy living on his own, and this is one of his favorite meals to make. He gave her the recipe and she gave it to me, and the kids in the family just love it. We have added a few things to it than what the original recipe called for, based on taste. My kids like it a little bit more saucy than the Newman kids, but this is definitely a family favorite. Tonight we're making it to celebrate my son Luke's birthday, his favorite birthday meal, macaroni meat. You have a package of hot dogs, a box of macaroni noodles, a can of corn, and we use 2 cans of tomato soup. My sister, I think, only uses 1 in her recipe. Half a cube of butter, and we are ready to go. First, you want to boil your macaroni noodles as the box indicates and get those boiling. So we're going to go put these on the stove right now. So while the macaroni noodles are boiling, we're going to be slicing our hot dogs into about 1-inch rounds, and then we are going to be frying them in half a cube of butter until they are lightly browned on either side. We use a whole package of hot dogs. Again, it's to taste. The recipe actually calls for about 4 hot dogs. As soon as I get the rest of these cut up, we will be ready to fry these up. So I have drained the macaroni noodles, and while we're waiting for the hot dogs to finish cooking, I've also drained the corn. We'll dump that in, and our can of soup. And we will mix it all together. As soon as the hot dogs are ready, we'll finish mixing it, and we will have a delicious, quick and easy meal that kids just love. So we'll add the cooked hot dogs and then stir it up and put it back on the stove to heat through, and you will have a delicious meal. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if there's any recipes you'd like to make, or if you've made this one, how it turned out. See you later.